Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Afterpay and log into your account. So you can either use your mobile or your web browser, it doesn't matter. So what are you going to do once you're on your Afterpay? You're going to search for Uber Eats. So when you search for Uber Eats, you will actually, you instead of Uber Eats, you'll be searching for Uber Eats gift card because we can only use Uber Eats through gift cards at the moment. So on Afterpay. So search for Uber Eats gift card and then you will see the gift card option here. So what you have to do is just select the gift card. So what you're going to do now firstly is just buy a gift card, a Uber gift card through Afterpay. So you can just type in the value that how much you wish to top it up with. So just fill it, choose any value here and then hit on buy for yourself and then complete this payment so you can buy this purchase the gift card through Afterpay. So once you have purchased the gift card, the Uber Eats gift card, so what you're going to do, you can now go to your Uber Eats website and then order any item that you wish to buy, so that you wish to order. So just add any item to your cart and then proceed with the checkout. So when you get to your cart here, so once you're on your cart, so what are you going to do here, go to checkout, so add any item and then go to checkout. So now when you get to this section here, your delivery details and then payment option here, what are you going to do, you're going to add Uber Cash as your payment method. So click on edit. Okay, so when you click on edit and then what are you going to do, you're going to click on add payment method and then select Uber Cash. So under Uber Cash now, just add your Uber Eats gift card that you just purchased. So enter your gift card code here. So enter that and then hit on apply. And then when you check out, you can simply choose your Uber Cash option and then complete your order. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can use Afterpay on Uber Eats. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.